Good morning, candidates. Once again, history and culture of India. Um, in the Vedic period, Nishka was an ornament of neck. Nishka was an ornament that is worn in neck. Who was the author of the books The Karpura Manjari and Kavya Mimansa? Who was the author of the books Karpura Manjari and Kavya Mimansa? The answer is Rajasekara. Who was the first scholar to prove that the name Sendrocotes was used for Chandragupta Maurya? William Jones. In the Vedic rituals, Hota, Hota, is associated with the Rig Veda. Who defeated Mughal ruler Humayun in the battles of Chausa and Kanauj? Sher Shah Suri. Who defeated Mughal ruler Humayun in the battles of Chausa and Kanauj? Sher Shah Suri. Mughal Emperor Jahangir accorded the title of English Khan to William Hawkins. Mughal Emperor Jahangir accorded the title of English Khan to William Hawkins. In Shivaji's Ashtapradhans, the foreign affairs minister was called the Sumanta, who is generally referred to as the Akbar of Kashmir for his liberal policies as a king for his people. Zainul Abidin. Zainul Abidin. Nizam-ul-Mulk Azab Jah founded the state of Hyderabad in the year 1724 AD. Sultan Fateh Ali Khan was the actual name of Tipu Sultan. Good. Now we will go to economic affairs. Who has been elected as the chairman of Indian Banks Association for 2020 to 21? Raj Kiran Roy G. What is India's rank on the Global Hunger Index 2020? 94th rank. What is the new revised base year of Consumer Price Index for Industrial Workers CPI IW 2016? Who were honored with the Nobel Prize in Economics, originally referred to as the Sveriges Riksbank Prize for 2020? Paul Milgrom and Robert Wilson. Capital market, real estate, commodities have been defined as sensitive sectors by RBI. And continuing on that, SEBI was established in the year, Securities Exchange Board of India was established in the year 1988. Who has been elected as the President of the Editors Guild of India? Seema Mustafa. The process of budget making after re-evaluating every item of expenditure in every financial year is called zero-based budgeting. The process of budget making after re-evaluating every item of expenditure in every financial year is called zero-based budgeting. Scheduled commercial banks determine the benchmark interest rate on the basis of marginal cost of funds based lending rate. Antyodaya Day in India is observed on September 25. Antyodaya Day in India is observed on September 25. So I will stop with this, continue the balance in the next.